Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add your Spotify playlist to Notion. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Spotify app. Now we need to click on your library. Here we can see our playlist. Select any one of them and we need to click on these three dots over here. So let's tap on this and scroll down to share and scroll this up and we can see click on more. Here we can see Notion app here. You should have already installed Notion in your phone. Now click on Notion. Here we can give the title and click on done. So this is it. This is how we can add our Spotify playlist to Notion. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.